You think you understand power? No, you don't. You're being played like a toddler with a toy steering wheel, thinking you're driving. You're not. Robert Greene, the guy who wrote The Art of Seduction, 48 Laws of Power, and Mastery, basically created the manual for every move your boss, your ex, and that one mysterious influencer are using against you right now. Today I'm handing you the keys. 10 green laws that flip the entire social game. Learn them or keep getting manipulated. Your choice. Everyone's playing the game, you just don't know it yet. You think I'm just being myself is noble? No, it's naive. Everyone's performing at work, in relationships, online. You can either learn the script or stay the background extra in everyone else's movie. Greene's first lesson. Power is never given, it's taken. You don't win by being real, you win by being strategic. So play chess, not checkers. Law 2. Control emotion, control the room. The loudest person never wins, the calmest one does. When everyone's reacting, the one who isn't has leverage. Greene calls this mastering your emotions. It's why stoicism beats outrage. You can't seduce, lead, or influence if you can't control your own dopamine spikes. You don't need to be cold, just unreadable. Mystery equals power. Number 3. Say less, mean more. Every time you explain yourself too much, you hand people the manual on how to control you. Powerful people impress and intimidate by saying less. Silence scares the insecure. So next time you're dying to explain, shut up and let the awkward silence do the damage. 4th, play on people's fantasies, not their reality. Reality is boring. People don't want truth. They want illusion. Every influencer, politician, and brand sells fantasy. The moment you understand that, you stop being manipulated by it and start using it. Create the illusion they want, but control the truth behind it. 5th, don't be the nice guy. Be the necessary guy. Nice guys get thanked. Necessary guys get followed. Stop begging for approval. Build value so undeniable they need you. Dependency is the ultimate power. Harsh? Yeah, true. Also, yeah, Law 6. Win through actions, not arguments. You'll never logic someone into submission. People believe what they feel, not what they hear. So instead of arguing online like a keyboard warrior, show results, outperform them, outlast them, out-evolve them. Demonstrate, don't explicate. Translation, stop talking, start executing. Number 7, make yourself the prize. Neediness repels. Scarcity attracts. Green seducers always hold back. They make others chase. The moment you start chasing, you lose leverage. Detach, be busy, be rare. If they think you're everywhere, you're nowhere. Law 8. Appear weak when you're strong, strong when you're weak. That's the reverse psychology of power. If you look too dominant, people unite against you. If you look harmless, they open up. Power isn't about flexing. It's about timing your reveal. Keep your sword sheathed until they forget you have one. Number 9, keep them hooked with unpredictability. Predictable equals boring. The greatest seducers and rulers all share one thing: you never quite know what they'll do next. So stop being so consistent. Change tone, switch rhythm, surprise them. You don't need to be random, just unreadable. Finally, reinvent yourself or die irrelevant. The final green rule: evolve before they outgrow you. Everyone you admire, Jobs, Beyonce, Musk, Swift, they reinvented before decay set in. Greene calls it mastery through transformation. Don't cling to who you were. Kill that version. The world doesn't reward who you were, only who you become next. So there you have it, 10 green laws they'll never teach you in school. If you actually made it this far without scrolling, congrats, you're officially more self-aware than 90% of your feed. Now drop your favorite law in the comments. And if you've ever been manipulated by someone who clearly read this book before you, confess. Let's build the resistance together. Hit like, share this with that one friend who's too nice for their own good. And remember, ignorance isn't innocence, it's permission for others to control you.